If you want to become a YouTuber or a video editor or anything you want to do with the video, this video is a must for you. Watch it till the end and find out the best video editing app that is most suitable for you. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about 9 amazing video editing apps that can use directly on your phone and start editing videos to fulfill your dream of becoming a YouTuber today. Before starting this video, smash that like button and also make sure you check out this video. It is a must for you if you are planning to become a YouTuber. With that being said, let's just start with our first app. So the first app is called Video Maker for YouTube, and as the name suggests, this app does exactly what it says. It helps you create and edit videos extremely simply. The interfaces can be used by literally anyone, even your mom, your dad, your parents, anyone can use it. The interface is that simple. So anything that's related to basic video editing, that is cutting, adding background tracks, adding voiceover and all of that, this app will do it for you. It's not that much complicated and it does not have those special things, but for making a basic YouTube video, this app is the best for you. It also exports in 1080p, so that's a great thing. InShot is one of those free apps which actually lets you edit videos without giving you any watermarks. So this app is a must. As I said in the previous one also, this also enables you to cut, edit, give voiceovers, add background tracks, add multiple timelines and everything. Everything is possible over here. Just it won't give you any watermarks. So for a free video editing app, this is a great one to use. So the next app is called Quick, and it is actually made by the team of GoPro, and as the name suggests, this app actually lets you edit videos on the go very quickly, very simple to use. So using this editing app, you can easily add images, videos, music, whatever it is that you want instantly. It's as simple as that. So if you shoot something and you want to just add some final touches, finishing it, like adding a couple of filters here and there, then this app is a must for you. You can easily edit and upload a video within 5 minutes. Now this editing app is a must if you are a vlogger or if you want to be a vlogger. So vlogging is actually a bit difficult task if you are doing it regularly, and this app makes it smoother for you. You no longer have to export the video from your phone or your camera to your system and then edit it using complex apps. You can easily do everything on your phone with this one app. So the name of the app is Vlogit. So our next app is called Vivacut Pro, and even though this app has the name Pro in it, it is actually one of the most simple and minimalistic video editing app that's out there. So if you want extremely easy interface, add multiple video layers, add audios, add keyframing is one of the most prominent parts of this app, by the way, then this app is the one for you. Extremely simple to use. I actually love this app the most out of all of them, so definitely give this a shot. As always, links for all these apps would be in the description, so make sure to check it out from there. So our next app is called Light Motion, and it is one of the most complex apps that is present out there currently. Although it is complex, but it is actually meant for more experienced video editors and all of that. So it has a lot more features. It has inbuilt presets, inbuilt icons, and a lot of features just jam-packed into just one app. So if you're a bit confused also while using this app, they also have like an entire tutorial section you can refer over there. But this is one of the best apps which will give you as many options and as many tools as possible. It is almost on the level of KineMaster and Adobe Premiere. Yes. So adding professional effects, doing minimal color correction, adding all of that is possible with this one. So these two apps are some of the most popular apps that are currently out there. Everyone uses these apps, but only downside of these are that they have a watermark with them. Apart from that, these are the most professional, the best ones, easy to use, easy to learn, extremely best ones to make a genuine video. But you can get rid of those watermarks actually, but for that you need to pay for them. So also there is another option to use cracked version of these apps, but I honestly won't recommend that because the creators have spent a lot of effort. So if you can afford to buy these apps, then you should buy these apps. Okay. So these are actually some of the best ones, but I have a couple of more apps which are even better than these apps. So keep watching the video till the end. My next app is called Filmora Go. and this app is developed by Filmora. Filmora, as we know, it's made by Wondershare and it's one of the most popular and easy to use video editing apps out there. They sponsor a lot of content all over the YouTube, and I'm sure you must have came across this app once in your life. So if you're one of the newbie editors and you're editing on your system using the Filmora application, then this application will create the similar interface for you directly on your phone. So if you're already familiar with the Filmora interface on your system, then this app you should use on your phone. Adobe Premiere Rush. This is the best application that you can use even if you're one of the top level creators on YouTube and you want to edit videos on your phone. This is the app you have to use. I'll tell you why this is my number one choice. So first of all, it is made by Adobe and it also has Adobe Cloud integrated with it. What does that mean? Basically, if you're editing on your system using the Adobe Premiere Pro, then it is actually linked with the Adobe Cloud. And if you ever want to do minor changes or quick edits and your laptop is not handy with you, it would be synced with that and you can continue the editing from your system directly on your phone. And the vice versa is also possible. So just imagine that the entire Adobe Premiere Pro directly on your phone. Yes, that is exactly what it is. So all the features and most of it is directly highlighted on your phone. Yes. So thank you for watching, guys. This was my quick video on top 9 video editing apps that you can start using from today. If you want to become a YouTuber, then one of these apps will definitely lead you to your success. Smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name's Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.